So this is a web portal. So you can use your credentials. So I will log in with one of user. Okay. So when you log in, it will direct to that attendance regularization page. So in regularization page, you can see your own attendance. So from the request screen, there will be a calendar. From this calendar, you can see your own attendance like this. So it will show the start time and end time. And if there is any exception, it will show in a red color. So you can see on 6th October, it is showing in red because of there is exception. So the exception is missing out. There is a missing in there, but there is no out. So that's why the system is showing missing out. I mean exception. Now, if you want to view your subordinates attendance, so then go to proxy. So from the proxy tab, you can see the list of the employees who are working under your supervision. So from this list, you can choose the employee, your subordinate. Then the system will show the attendance of that selected employee. Now you can see attendance of the employee. Okay, so employees leave and their in and out attendance. Okay. Okay, so September 12th, the employees is missing out transaction. So you can add that out transaction and send the request to your manager. So from the permission type, you need to choose missing in or missing out. Then go to the date and select the out time. And which is the booking type, in or out. You can choose out, update. So now we have the updated record. We need to submit. So before that, you can view the workflow. So to whom the request is going. Okay, if I submit this record, it will go to the manager, and you can see from the options. So now when I submit, it will go to the my manager. So the now manager will log in. So once you submitted, the manager will receive the notification on his page. So he can go to that requested. So he can review the record. So the record is added like missing in, missing out. The permission type is missing in, missing out. The time transaction is 6 o'clock and booking type out. So he can approve or reject. So once it is approved, it will affect in the system. If it is the manager is the final approver. So if it is not the final approval, then it will go to the next level approval. So once the final approval is approved, so the requested record will affect in the system. So now approved successfully. So the employee, the supervisor and manager can view the record status. So they can see the status pending approval. If it is if the final approval is approved, and if the status will be approved, and it will show the next approval also. So that's it. So this is the self-service procedure. So supervisors can request to for their subordinates to the manager for adding the new time transaction. If they want to edit the existing time transaction, they can do it, and it can be submitted to the manager. Once the manager is approved, it will affect in the system. After the attendance calculation, when you generate the report, you can see the changes in the report.